In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video to a Klaviyo email. Hello and welcome. If you've been looking for a way to make your email campaigns more engaging, adding video is a fantastic strategy. Video content can significantly increase your email engagement rates, making it an invaluable tool in your marketing arsenal. So, let's dive into the detailed process of embedding a video into a Klaviyo email campaign. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Klaviyo's main page. Klaviyo, for those who may not be familiar, is a powerful email marketing platform that allows for personalization and automation in ways that can truly transform your engagement metrics. Once you're on the home page, look for the campaigns section. This is where all your email marketing magic begins. After clicking on campaigns, you'll be directed to a list of your existing campaigns. Here, locate the campaign you wish to enhance with a video. If you don't have a campaign set up yet, now is a great time to create one. Select the sample campaign or whichever campaign you've designated for this purpose. Next, proceed through the initial setup or editing stages of your campaign by clicking on Next. This button will navigate you through the various steps required to refine your campaign's parameters, such as selecting your audience, defining the email subject line, and more. Speaking of subject lines, they're a critical factor in open rates. As you reach the section to type in your subject line, take a moment to craft something eye-catching and relevant to the content of your email, including the video you're about to add. Once your subject line is set, you'll want to move on to the email content itself by selecting Edit. This will open the email template editor, a powerful tool that allows you to customize the layout and content of your email to fit your brand and message perfectly. In the email template editor, you'll find an option labeled Video. Clicking on this will prompt you to insert your video, but there's a specific way to do this to ensure your video displays correctly in your recipients' inboxes. Instead of directly uploading a video file, which many email clients don't support, you'll input an embed code. To get your embed code, click on Source Code within the video option. This opens a dialog box where you can paste the embed code for your video. Your video embed code is essentially a snippet of HTML that tells the email where your video is located on the internet, such as on YouTube, Vimeo, or another hosting platform, and displays it within the email. If you're not sure where to find your video's embed code, head over to the platform where your video is hosted. Most platforms have a share option beneath the video, where you can find an embed option. Copy the code provided there. After pasting the embed code into the source code dialog box, click OK to confirm. You'll see a placeholder or possibly even your video in the editor. However, remember that the video itself may not play directly in all email clients. Instead, it's common to link to the video hosted on its platform, allowing recipients to view the video in full on the hosting site. After inserting your video, continue setting up your campaign by clicking Next. This will likely take you to the review stage, where you can double check everything from your subject line to the freshly embedded video. And there you have it. You've successfully added a video to your Klaviyo email campaign, enhancing not only the visual appeal of your email, but also its engagement potential. Remember, testing is key. Be sure to send test emails to yourself and your team to ensure everything looks as expected across different email clients and devices. Adjust as necessary to ensure the best recipient experience. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on adding video to your Klaviyo emails. If you found this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your email marketing efforts. Happy emailing!